Hello, welcome back to question number 39. Given the equations, we are having 4x plus 3y equals to 5 and 2x minus 5y equals to negative 17. This is our first equation. The second equation, we have to find the value of y minus x. Before we can do that, we need to know what the x and y is in terms of value. We can use elimination method by multiplying equation 2 by 2 in order to make this 4. Then, or let's say, then multiply through by 2. So I'm going to hold on to that. If I multiply, I should be having 4x plus 3y equals to 5. 4x minus 10y equals to negative 34. This is the equation 1. This is now equation 3. Now, we have the same value here. So now we perform subtraction. So I have equation 1 minus equation 3. 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus negative 10. That will give you negative 13. No, positive 13, right? 3 minus, that will be 13. 5 minus negative 34, that will be 39. All right, so we divide by, let's just divide both sides by 13. This is going to be y equals to, I guess, 3, okay. Then let's put y equals to 3 in equation 1, okay. Equation 1 is there as 4x plus 3y, which is now 3, equals to 5. 4x will be equals to 5 minus 9. If I move forward, I still have negative what? 4. So let's see. Our x is going to be negative 4 divided by 4. That gives us a negative 1. So the value of x is negative 1, of y is 3. Let's cross check whether that is true. So 4 times negative 1 give you negative 4 plus 3 times y. That will be 9. If you add this, you get 5. So that means the true values of x and y is what? Negative 1 and 3 respectively. So therefore, we are looking for y minus x, which is going to be y is what? 3 minus x is negative 1. That gives us what? 4. So let's check the options and see. That is going to be the option what? D. Alright. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and come back for more.